Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct is proud to announce the addition of 22-gauge machine tool wire by Atlas. Installation type MTW machine tool wire is now available in 22 gauge. Existing MTW wire sizes are 20 gauge to 10 gauge. The 22 gauge wire offers an 8% smaller diameter with a 3 amp 600 volt rating, which is needed for many types of terminal block connections that cannot accept larger wire. MTW wire is designed and approved for use in industrial and commercial equipment. Type MTW conductors are primarily used in control cabinets and machine tool applications and in appliance wiring applications at temperatures from -25°C to 105°C. MTW wire complies with the National Electric Code and NFPA Standard 79. Voltage ratings for all applications is 600 volts. MTW wire is sold in 500-foot spools, and certain sizes are also available in 2,500-foot reels. Conductors are bare, annealed copper, and the wire outer jacket is color-coated polyvinyl chloride that is flame retardant and heat and moisture resistant. Up to 10 solid and 4 spiral stripe wire colors are available depending on wire size and length. MTW wire is UL approved, RoHS, and CSA compliant and has a 1-year warranty. To learn more, visit automationdirect.com/MTW-wire. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.